You're watching Force 13's live streaming service.
Bureau of Meteorology here in Brisbane has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the damaging winds. Large hailstones warning is currently in place for parts of the Redland City and Brisbane City Council areas. The Bureau of Meteorology warns that at 1300 hours a severe thunderstorm was detected on the weather radar near Sunnybank Hills. The storm is currently tracking towards the northeast and it's forecast to affect Slacks Creek Camp Hill by 1335, Tingalpa Reservoir mainly by 1405. Damaging winds, large hailstones likely, along with significant accumulations of small hail. And this follows on to the information contained in our earlier update that the Bureau is warning severe thunderstorm activity for the next 2 days. The Bureau of Meteorology at 13:35 at this point in time has cancelled their severe thunderstorm warning. However, the weather radar continues to show up quite a bit of activity. We will continue to monitor the developing scene. That was recorded around the stated time. We will remain on air until such time that the scene quietens down. However, we could have a break in transmission. However, the Bureau of Meteorology has updated the information. They've expanded the warning area for the Capricornia parts of the Central Coast with Sundays. The Central Highlands, Coalfields, Wide Bay, Burnett forecast districts. Severe thunderstorms are likely to produce damaging winds, large hailstones in the warning area over the next several hours. Locations which may be affected include Emerald, Biloela, Blackwater, Mount Morgan. Severe thunderstorms are no longer occurring in the Darling Downs and Granite Belt district, and the Bureau has cancelled. However, the severe thunderstorms develop in the southeast Queensland area, east of Dalby for Rainbow Beach and Sandthorpe. A more detailed severe thunderstorm warning will be issued. And from looking at the screen, you can clearly see where the intense supercells were located. However, it didn't take long for the Bureau to cancel the one for down here in the southeast corner region. This is a view of the live streaming webcam located at the mouth of the Tweed River at Point Danger. And on the screen is a look at the Himawari 8 satellite imagery for Australia's western region. Force 13's main channel is providing updated information re the typhoon Hagibis, which at this point in time is a Category 3 system on the Saffir-Simpson hurricane scale. I will be doing an update around 1900 hours Australian Eastern Standard Time. I will be doing that and putting it on the Force 13's main channel. Keep an eye on the Facebook page and the main channel for the latest on the typhoon. And repeating, Bureau Meteorology has updated their severe thunderstorm warning. It remains in place for the Capricornia parts of the central coast, of which Sunday's central Highlands and Coalfields, including the Wide Bay, Burnett forecast districts. However, the Bureau could issue one for the southeast corner, east of Dalby from Rainbow Beach to Thorpe. And 15-20 hours here in Queensland, and acknowledging that the eastern states, New South Wales, Victoria, Tasmania, South Australia, they're all on daylight saving. There are no warnings for the state of New South Wales. Now we have a look at the Himawari 8 satellite imagery for Australia's eastern and southwestern Pacific region. Apology for the freezing in the streaming on the streaming page. And this is a recording. However, at the end of this, we will switch over to live information. Bureau Meteorology will update their severe thunderstorm information around 17:55 hours. And whilst we look at the Himawari 8 satellite imagery, what is the Bureau of Meteorology going to say when they come out with their 2019-20 Tropical Cyclone Outlook document? That should be out within the next 2 weeks. And you can clearly see the activity along the east coast of Australia region. And this is the warning area. And a look at a live streaming webcam, Agnes Water, or Agnes Waters. This is provided by the Gladstone Port Authority, one of 4 webcams. This is Force 13's AU channel, where the Bureau of Meteorology has in place a severe thunderstorm warning for damaging winds, large hailstones for the Capricornia parts of the Central Coast with Sundays, the Central Highlands and Coalfields, the Wide Bay and Burnett forecast districts. Severe thunderstorms likely produce damaging winds, large hailstones in the warning area over the next several hours. Locations which may be affected include Emerald, Biloela, Blackwater and Mount Morgan. And on the screen is a look at the Bureau's Brisbane radar. And the Bureau cancelled the severe thunderstorm warning for southeast Queensland at 13:32 hours. That was in place for the Redland and Brisbane Council areas. Now we have a look at the 64 kilometre radar loop. And it looks like it's tracking east-southeast or south-east. And the Bureau reported several hours ago it would be today and tomorrow for severe thunderstorm warning as a trough moves in, and the information is contained in our update from earlier today. This is Force 13 live at 15:33 hours. Bureau of Meteorology Victoria has a strong wind warning in place for the Port Phillip Bay, Western Port, West Coast, Central Coast, and for Saturday they'll have one for the Port Phillip, West Coast and Central Coast. On the screen is a view of my live webcam. It's facing to the north. Emergency Services Queensland currently attending a road traffic accident outside the state school, Gordon Street, Capella. Repeating, Queensland Emergency Services currently on scene of a road traffic accident outside the state high school, Gordon Street, Capella, here in Queensland. Emergency Services also attending a pedestrian road traffic incident, Highfields, Whispering Pines Drive, Highfields in the Toowoomba region. The music in the background is part of the Force 13's musical collection and is available on their main channel. There's Force 13's AU channel, where the Bureau has in place a severe thunderstorm warning, but for the southeast Queensland, no warning at this point in time.